Hi, I'm Simon Reynolds. I live in Los Angeles, USA, but I'm actually Australian.
Hi Simon, how are you doing? Simon, can you just let everybody know your trading experience prior to taking my course, please?
Well, I'd heard a lot about Forex and I read a lot of books and I went online and I kind of dabbled in trying a few things, but I had not actually done a full-on course before working with you.
Okay, so after looking about Forex and the backgrounds, what made you decide to seek education as opposed to trying it yourself?
Well, there were just so many stories online about people who tried it themselves and really got nowhere and lost sometimes years in the effort. And so I didn't want to do that. I really wanted to learn efficiently. And my biggest fear was that I get a charlatan coach or I do a course that was a sham. There are so many shams and charlatans online in the Forex and investment area. I was really fearful of that. So my number one search was for someone legitimate.
Okay, so after doing that search and your due diligence, what made you decide to contact me and take my course?
Well, some of it was logical and some of it was intuitive. Logical was the approach that you outlined in your website. It seemed to me, and based on the books that I'd read and the forums I've been on, to make a hell of a lot of sense what you were saying. And then the intuitive bit was, I listened to some of your stuff, and I really got the impression that you were, a decent, honourable person, and that meant a lot to me because I thought, well, I may have my challenges learning Forex, but if I've got an instructor that is a high caliber character, then I should be able to get through it.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. And have you found the course so far? Because it's probably been about a year since you started the course.
Yeah, it has been about a year, and it's been excellent. There's definitely a learning curve when you try and understand something that you've never been acquainted with. There's a learning curve. But what I love about the course is several things. First of all, the simplicity of it. It's extremely clearly explained. Second of all, the succinctness of it. It's not like you have to read 400 pages of textbook stuff to get the course. It's really well designed in that the important information is there in a clear fashion, and any extraneous, unnecessary stuff has been kept out of the course.
Oh, cool. Thank you. And you log in each day and look at the daily trade recommendations, and I notice you're generally on most of the webinars even a year later.
Yeah, the daily recommendations are fantastic. I literally set it in my diary where I can have a look at those. And the ongoing backup of the videos has been really important. I will always make sure that I watch the videos. I find them incredibly informative. I find you very honest in how you are dealing with what's happening in the market. And what's great is there's a bank of them. So I can go back and I can restudy and really just train my brain to think like an excellent Forex trader.
Wonderful, thank you. And any sort of longer term trading goals, next year, any sort of plans for how you're taking your own trading? Are you going to concentrate mostly dailies or go a little bit shorter time?
I will probably mix between dailies and hourlies. I have a lifestyle in the LA where I've got a lot of time during the day to look at the hourlies.
Yes.
And I'll probably stick with that. But my aim is to be a consistently profitable trader with Forex, and not just consistently profitable. I want to have the high levels of profit that you have historically shown that you achieve in Forex. And what's great about it is this is not a case where the instructor looks like a wizard and has got a lifetime experience and you feel as a student that you can't possibly emulate them. What you've done is you've showed us a way where any of us can get the kind of results that you do if you put the effort in and follow your system.
Yeah, and that's what it's about, isn't it? It's about patience and waiting for good trades and sticking to the rules.
Yeah, undoubtedly. And there is no doubt whatsoever that your course has everything you need to be a highly profitable trader. There's no piece missing. There's no advanced system that's kept away. I really understand, having gone through it and having been trading with the system for a year, that it is everything you need to be an excellent Forex trader.
Great. That's very kind of you, Simon. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best for your trading for next year.
Pleasure.